Did you know that depression can be cured naturally? Hi, this is Kate here again with some valuable tips. Today I am going to talk about how to cure depression naturally, so stay tuned. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Also click the bell icon to be notified when we release our forthcoming video. Despite what the pharmaceutical companies may try to tell you, believe it or not, there are many ways that you can learn how to cure depression naturally. You'll have to do some research, understand depression, and work hard. In fact, it can be the most effective way and quite possibly the only way. Let me explain. Antidepressants serve a purpose, indeed. However, they are like a set of crutches. They sure can be handy. But they won't heal your broken ankle. Your doctor may need an X-ray of your foot to determine how bad you've broken your ankle, and may have to readjust it before she puts a cast on it. After she does this, then and only then do the crutches make sense. Curing depression naturally involves taking a deep look into your life and health and finding out what is going on inside your body. Your doctor may need to run some internal tests to figure out what's going on inside of you. Too often doctors simply prescribe an antidepressant without getting to the bottom of what's causing it. What if you need counseling to deal with disappointment or discouragement? What if you are not simply getting the nutrition you need? First of all, it's knowing yourself well enough to know when you're depressed. The sooner you realize you're depressed, the sooner you can take steps to combat it. You know you're depressed when you stop doing things that you normally enjoy, procrastinate, and don't smile very often. There are some herbal remedies that you can take, but be careful. Herbal remedies are just like prescription medicine, they have a biological effect. This is where your research comes in. Make sure you thoroughly research any herbal medication you're thinking of taking. Many of them have clinical trials done by research laboratories so that you can read about them. Then, realize that you may be lacking in vitamin D. Vitamin D comes from the sun. Often, when you're depressed, we're not outside enough to get quota of vitamin D. If you live in an area without a lot of sun, you may try a tanning booth and see if it doesn't help. So along with some herbal remedies, a bit of a tanning booth or sitting in the sun, you're also going to have to force yourself to get up. Remember, depression is often a chemical imbalance, it's not easy to deal with, and forcing yourself to get up may be the hardest thing you've ever done in your life. Join a class that deals with something you're interested in, then make sure you go. Here are some self-help tests that can help in curing depression naturally. The tests that need to be run are holistic. Depression can be caused by many different areas of our lives. Number 1. We need to test our emotional well-being. What are we sad, mad, and glad about? Are we expressing these emotions or bottling them up? Number 2. We need to test our physical well-being. Are we getting enough exercise, fresh drinking water and fresh air? Are we eating the proper nutrients? Number 3. We need to test our mental well-being or our mental patterns and habits. Where do we put ourselves in this world? What is our purpose? Once you take these tests on yourself, you begin to find some clues, and only then does curing depression naturally begin to take place. There is hope. You are worth it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video tomorrow.